Hello everyone, it's Shiken AI again, wishing you a new day full of energy for work and study. Today, I want to introduce to you an AI platform, online learning with the support of artificial intelligence. This is the interface when we access. I have left the link below in the description or comments so you can access and use it. Then you select Sign Up to start creating an account. Here there are two areas for us to register. If we are learners, choose Learner. If we are content creators who need to sell a product related to medical or technology courses, etc., then choose Creator. I will choose Learner. This section you will use more for studying. Please use an email to register an account, create a password, and verify the email to start using this utility. Okay, we have logged into this AI platform. Here there are free, annual, lifetime options. The annual package gives you a free trial to experience for 14 days. You just experience it to have a choice. Here there are 5 levels you can choose: school, undergraduate, postgraduate, professional, and other. Then you choose the area you want to study: languages, work skills, healthcare, meditation, GCSE. GCSE is a widely recognized qualification in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. This is an official exam for students aged 14 to 16, usually at the end of compulsory secondary school. Next, I choose the healthcare section. We are approaching the products we need to discover and ultimately the achievements we learn. This AI process wants to guide us to our destination. We are approaching the products we need to discover and ultimately the achievements we learn. This AI process wants to guide us to our destination. After choosing the subject, please choose the name of the goal you need to achieve when participating in the course. That's the outline of the course. Now I'll go back to the product overview page to see what else there is. We are currently participating in this course, in play mode. In the healthcare program, there are many free courses for us to refer to and learn. More advanced are some paid programs. These content enhance your work in depth. Tip Theo Chung Ta Sn Tip Tic Sai Han Kuk Ko HCCK Nang. Or meditation courses and language courses. These courses are free for users. Because when I registered, I chose the school level as school, so the information on this interface is mainly for students learning online, so for parents it is a gift for their children to study. And control skills, while standardizing them for children from an early age. So today I have given preliminary instructions on how to access, register, and summarize the content of how to use this AI tool. In the next videos, I will clarify many helpful courses for you to post, sign up to study. Please give me a channel subscription button, like and share so I can be motivated to create videos sharing new technology knowledge for you. Goodbye everyone and see you again.